Hi guys, welcome back. So today's tutorial is braids on short hair. So what you want to do is split it in 3 sections and start braiding. I'm going to do this in slow-mo so you guys could see clearly how to, do this yourself and recreate it. Even when you have short hair, you should be able to slay your natural hair, right? That's the whole purpose of this tutorial. So my last video on braids went really far with over 100k of you guys watching it, and now my hair is a bit longer than the first braids on short hair I made, which is a good thing, I guess. Thank you for always supporting. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. So when you get to the end of your braids, as always, just show the ends. I don't like braiding all the way down because of the takedown process. I mentioned how I do not like wasting time taking down any hairstyle I made. So that's the reason why I don't braid all the way to the end or to the last tip of my natural hair, because the takedown process has been really quite difficult and I really do not like struggling at all. Again, section it to the size you want to work with. It could be smaller than this, it could be bigger than this. Then just split that section into 3 parts and start working with it. If you watch it the first time and you don't get it, you can still come back to rewatch it and try again. There's nothing wrong with trying as many times as possible until you get it, right? I didn't get it on my first trial either, so it took time for me to keep showing up, practicing, sit in front of a mirror, try again until you get it. So I think it depends on the positioning of your head. If you are working on the left part of your face or of your head, you want to tilt your head a little bit to the right to be able to work on the left part. And if you are doing the other for the right side, you want to do the same. So now I'm showing you guys how I made the back. It's still like similar process. I'm not using tail comb to create my patterns because I don't really care about clean parts. I just want to tuck my natural hair away, just like leave it in a protected style or whatever, little rest. So I'll be able to easily drench my hair with water. I know my hair likes water a lot, so yeah. I really hope this video is insightful enough for you to be able to recreate it on your head. I hope it's beginner friendly as I imagined it to be. and I hope that after watching this video again, you should be able to do it yourself. Thanks for watching.